You on bags?
My bag.
That boy on Raceland. Stop it. Damn, not gonna lie, that drip kinda hard. What is up, everybody? It's your boy Nick Stacks, back at it again with another video. Your boy is finally back on his vlogging shit, and tonight we're gonna be taking the NISMO out to a little car meet. Pretty much my homies car crew is hosting a little car meet. There's like 3-4 meets tonight. We're gonna try to hit all of them tonight. So if you guys enjoy this video, make sure you guys slap that like button. If you guys are new to the channel, subscribe. And I know you guys are probably wondering where my bumper is. Not gonna lie, in the previous video, I know you guys seen me race that Audi S3. If you didn't, go tune into the video before this one. Pretty much the wind fucked up my undershroud. Well, let me show you guys actually. Ripped my undershroud into pieces. So your boy ended up cracking his NISMO bumper yet again. Yeah, I know, I have the worst luck with this shit. So I sent it off to paint. It's getting painted right now, and it will be back on as soon as possible. So tonight, your boy got the intakes exposed. Let me start the car and let's get on the road, and I'll probably pick the camera back up when I'm at the car meet. Yo, I don't want that block work, please.
Yo, Nick, chill.
I'm warning y'all now. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, it might be.
That is NISMO, baby.
It's TSX dump. Nah, new Civic. That shit hard. That shit clean. Coming. That shit hard. Oh shit. Big old turbo kit on that motherfucker. That boy Eggy with the HR.
I was looking at part out. But they get one off a crash.
Ready? Honk. tell, we are out here at a fucking meet. Nice little static car club meet for the static boys. You can't see, it's kind of dark.
Yo soy gringo.
This shit's fucking gas. Dumped.
That shit on the floor, buddy. Listen.
Everybody dumped out here.
On my bags.
You on bags?
On my bags.
That boy on Raceland. Stop it. Oh nah, this shit is hard.
But this shit, everything.
This motherfucker is sitting.
Down to the nuts and bolts.
Yo, what the?
It's back, but it's still fire. I don't give a fuck.
I ain't gonna lie, I like this shit. Oh, that's hard.
I don't give a fuck.
That's hard.
Side exit.
That's hard. The little flaps. Nah, this shit. This shit right here.
See, you like that.
You like this one more than this one?
If this one was a hard top, I don't like the King. I like
You don't like that type of shit?
if I had an STI.
Ah, the clear tail? That motherfucker is...
Stop.
Oh, hell no. What the fuck? Watch your back, cousin. Oh, nah, that shit right-hand drive. What the fuck? I heard her bumper fell off. We was just cruising with her.
Yeah, she hit all the yellow poles and shit.
Say nothing. This is what, yo, when the Z's gone, this is what you gonna see me in. Yo, I'm calling it now.
Wait on that.
Big blue. You see it? You see it? Or the black. You see the black. Yo, or the sky. Nigga, you see it? You're not gonna see me in that, I ain't gonna lie. You're not gonna see me in that. Damn, he sold Drew's wheels already.